We are Boston Institute of Biotechnology, also known as BIB. We are a biologics CDMO headquartered in Boston, providing drug development and manufacturing services for biologics medicine. Beyond drug substances manufacturing, we also offer drug product fill finish services, including lyo products, liquid vials, pre-filled syringes. I can think of three remarkable trends that I believe will extend not only into next year, but also into 2030. First, there's a growing demand for high-volume manufacturing and ultra-large production of batches. As more and more biologics therapies come into the late-stage clinical trials and commercial supply for large indications like metabolic disorders, weight loss programs, inflammatory disorders, and so on, that is number one trend. Second trend, there's a strong focus across the industry on maintaining high titers while keeping manufacturing costs as low as possible. Many pharmaceutical and biotech companies, particularly those that are in late-stage development, need the ability to quickly scale production on relatively short notices as they prepare for commercialization. They are looking for CDMO partners that can share risks with them. Together, these trends are driving great interest in manufacturing partners that can provide large-scale manufacturing in a cost-efficient way and flexible production capacities as well. Let me give you an example. When a company, they're developing a drug for metabolic disorders like obesity or diabetes or inflammatory disorders, the market is really huge. They sometimes need 100,000 liters or 200,000 liter capacities per year. And then if you go to a conventional CDMO, they cannot meet the needs. Just imagine the amount of stress it puts on the supply chain, it puts on the quality people to go through all these different batches. You come to big companies like us, we can make your 100,000 liter batch in just one or two runs. One of our key strengths as a large, ultra-large bioreactor infrastructure for both microbial and mammalian systems. That is truly our strength, which allows us to meet the increasing demands for high-volume biologics manufacturing. BIB scale is one of our greatest strengths. Our bioreactors range from 50 liters all the way up to 50,000, with multiple 50,000 liter systems in place. So we can truly meet the large-scale commercial demand at a very short notice. We have capacity to start tomorrow. If you have any needs that needs to be taken care of right away, we will start the program tomorrow. We have sufficient capacity to accommodate new upcoming drug programs. With regards to the second point, reducing manufacturing costs, we have made significant progress in improving efficiencies at BIB. At BIB, we consistently achieve high titers of around 10 grams per liter, and through highly automated facilities and fourth-generation manufacturing systems, we're able to streamline operations and significantly lower production costs. What makes BIB unique is that we can partner with biotech companies as early as phase 3 and build a dedicated GMP manufacturing facilities, mitigate their risk while they're awaiting their clinical trial results. This approach allows us to share risk with our customers, accelerate timelines, and ensure manufacturing capacity is ready when the drug reaches the market. Since our founding in Boston more than 12 years ago, we have worked with over 100 different molecules across the various stages of drug development. Currently, we're supporting over, 35 programs, 10 late-phase programs. 2 of them are already in the PPQ stage. We have several other preclinical, early-phase programs from US, Europe, and Asia. Over the years, we have partnered with 5 major global pharma companies. In addition, we have worked with major biotech innovators, spin-off companies, small biotechs. In terms of molecules itself, we have worked with monoclonal antibodies, biospecifics, enzymes, fusion proteins, and a whole lot of complex biologics as well. Last but not the least, we have built strong regulatory expertise, which allows us to guide and support our customers through the development and manufacturing process, all the way to regulatory approval and commercial supply. There really isn't a single secret or magic formula behind BIB's growth and success. Of course, we do have strong technical advantage. We are one of the few CDMOs capable of producing ultra-large GMP biologics batches, and under the right conditions, we can bring down the cost down to $10 per gram. But the real reason for our success goes beyond our technology. At Boston Institute of Biotechnology, we place our customers at the center of everything we do. We focus on understanding our customers' timelines, their goals, and the challenges they face as they move their therapies towards patients. And just as importantly, our people are deeply passionate about their work. Our team understands the work they do every day, whether it's in development, manufacturing, quality, or operations. Ultimately, they realize that they work towards something that's bigger than them. It's easy in the industry to get caught up in timelines, data, and deliverables, but we always remind ourselves that behind every single molecule is a patient, a family, and a story waiting for hope. And that sense of purpose is what truly drives our organization forward towards success.